Welcome to Fulcrum Push. Enable, engage, evolve. One business challenge that we face today is to transform managers into effective leaders, coaches who can engage and motivate new age performers. We can help. Let's start with understanding the difference between a manager, a coach, and a leader. Let me explain it with what I call leadership success triangle. To be successful in today's business world, one must complete the success triangle of leadership by demonstrating the skills of a leader, manager, and a coach, combined all in one. Leaders set up a vision, provide directions, while manager plan details, manage processes, focus on results. Coach, on the other hand, is someone who engage people for continuous personal development to do better. I have observed this many times, really getting crystal clear during my training workshops. If I give a task like making a creative representation of team theme, someone says, a leader, let's create a photo collage. Initial reaction from some team members may be no. Someone might say, let's do a human bridge, and other one say, can we do something else? The chances are the initial response may not be great idea. Let's do it. Leader persuades everyone to make a photo collage by motivating them with explanation why it's a great idea. Manager will arrange for cameras, decide on roles, and coach will help people with taking better photographs. Sometimes it is 2 or 3 different people. Sometimes it is just one person doing all the 3 things, resulting in having a fabulous and award-winning photo collage. Now, can you be a great leader if you are not popular or great orator? Absolutely. Leadership is not a popularity contest. You don't need to be the most popular person or liked by everyone. However, to be a great leader, you don't need to be disliked or be unpopular. Thing to remember is that you don't need to be afraid of being unpopular or disliked. Similarly, leadership is not about giving great speeches. It may help though. Being a leader is to be that someone who can set directions, show benefits, overcome objections, and has followers. Next question can be, are some people naturally great leaders? Yes, some are. Now, can we all become good leaders? Yes, we can. Leadership is a learnable skill. We all may have different starting points, but we all can be better than what we are and strive to be the best we could possibly be as leader. What is required is constant learning and upgrading our leadership skills. We can help you with this. We can help you with your leadership journey. We believe that our leadership training program, LEAP, covers all the leadership bases which can help you being a better leader. Some of the modules are emotional intelligence, building a leadership attitude, leadership communication skills, leadership model and application, follow-up and feedback, motivation skills, coaching skills, presentation skills, storytelling skills, and relationship management. Thank you for your time. For more information regarding our sales, leadership, account management, and customer service training workshop, please write to aman@fulcrumpush.com. Thank you.